Welcome to my new cabin. It's a simple place, made mostly of wood. It has a spare room next door for the next crew member. So, what are we going to explore? What are we going to talk about today? Hey? Let's go through here. Let's put you down somewhere that you can see me and I can see you. Okay, that's better. Now, we're almost on eye level and I can relax and say, I love you. And as I greet each and every single day, I'm thankful. And I wish you all the best. I wish you well. I'd like you to breathe slow and deep into your heart. I'd like you to breathe slow and deep from the ground up, from the sky down. I want you to center yourself here. Turn that frown upside down. If you can place your conscious awareness inside your heart, I believe it'll be the start of you smiling from the inside out, removing all fear and doubt and accepting that there's nothing you can do unless there is, and if there is, then go and do it. Go to it. And if there isn't, then just do nothing. Get out a good book, listen to some music, or go into silent meditation. No fear or trepidation. This is us living. And then we're dying. But in between the panic and the sighing and the crying, after all those things fall by the wayside, you realize there's an infinite joy inside, just waiting to get out. Where was it? Hidden behind the fear and doubt. Where was it? Hidden by the pain. Where was it? There inside. And here it is again. Hidden by the food, hidden by the drugs, hidden by the unconsciousness. I thought you were going to fall over. I think you still are. Camera's gradually leaning. I've got you resting on a blanket. But for now, I quite like the effect. So sit or lay down. Let's go on a journey together. These journeys are for you to take as long as you desire, 20 minutes or an hour. Journey within your imagination again. Make believe, make yourself your own best friend, and take that friendship out into the world that you see. Smile at everybody. So, a journey for today. Open-eyed, mental clarity, full of nutritious dreams and healthy eating, food and thoughts. I'm off on a wild food walk. We're going to learn together about what's good to eat and good for us while we go on a nice walk out in nature. So why don't we do that together now? In your mind's eye, put on some warm clothes. Let out a deep and satisfying sigh. Breathe out your fear and pain like a dark cloud. And breathe in a white cloud, fluffy, cumulus. A summer's day is coming. Breathe in nervous excitement. Breathe out fear and trepidation. Take my hands. Let's walk down the lane into a gentle, soft and wooded valley full of green herbs and plants about to spring, and those that have sprung, they're good medicine. Plantain, dandelion, violets, nettles, cleavers, goosegrass, that sticky thing they used to throw at each other. Don't you remember running wild in nature, enjoying every single second, never thinking about the past or the future, in this now moment together, holding hands, skipping, running gaily through the woods, happily adventuring, in our mind's eye, our bare feet walking gently on the earth, connecting us. So good to see the light within. To see you smiling again. It's so good to love you. To love these trees. To love the sky. To love a smile. To love this guy, this girl, this man, this woman. To love my friends. I see a little stream. I bend down on my haunches. And I reach out with my hands and I gather up some of this crystal clear water. And I pour it over my head. And it goes down my back. And it wakes me up like nothing else. And then I bathe myself in this beautiful crystal clear spring water. And then I gather some more. And I take a sip, and it's cold and it's pure. And my body shivers for a second and shakes. I feel so alive in this moment. And I look at you, and I look into your eye, and I see your smile. And I know that I'm alive. I know that I'm here. Keep walking with me, keep talking with me, reach out to me, and I'll hold you tight, and I'm never letting go. Not until we've both been held, not until we both know that we have a friend. These days of pure and gentle spring, for which they never end, but they lead to summer. Wait until the bluebells flush and fill the woods with indigo and violet light as the sun gets low in the afternoon. It's an incredible sight. But as for right now, go out and find some wild garlic. And be careful. Pick carefully. Go with someone who knows what they're doing. But learn to enjoy the woodlands in spring. And all the wild food that you can bring. And when you're ready, trickle back up the lane like a gentle spring shower, back home again. Until the next time, enjoy your day. back to my room.